Now, let's be honest. Since the start of the pandemic, we've all been spending way more time on the computer and in front of our devices. And it could very well be damaging our eyes. Can't tell you that it's damaging mine. Now, we've invited Clive Lattibeaudiere, co-owner of Optical City, to tell us how to take better care of our eyes. Good morning, Mr. Lattibeaudiere, and welcome.
Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Oh, it's wonderful to have you. So, this is true for all of us. The devices have become our gateway into the rest of the world, and so our eyes are literally glued to them, some more than others, but most of us for at least 8 hours out of the day. How much damage are we actually doing to our eyes by just constantly being in front of these devices?
Well, to be honest, we haven't been doing this for a long period of enough of a time to get like 30 years of research. But from what we do have, we do know that it is the excessive computer use is damaging to your macula, which would cause, which can cause macular degeneration, basically.
When you speak about macular degeneration, what from the computer or the TV screen exactly causes the damage? Is it the light from the TV or just the sheer fact that we're just staring at the TV?
Well, it's actually the blue light. Blue light is it's a bright light that's it's in our UV rays, but it's also can be man-made, and it's used in devices as smartphones, as TVs, and as computers. So it's actually that blue light that that screen gives off, and that is also found in the sun as well.
Okay, well, I constantly tell my daughter the same thing my mother told me. You cannot sit so close to the TV. You cannot sit so close to the TV. Is there anything else outside of telling each other that we can't sit so close to the TV that we can actually do to protect ourselves from this blue light? What kind of protection can we give our eyes?
Well, a myth about the sitting close to the TV thing, I'll touch that first, because that's actually a sign of the child can't see. So that's what they're doing. And that's mostly like they're kind of engaging in that show, and they go closer because they can't see. So that is a sign that your child can't see.
Get her checked.
Yes, to get the eyes checked. So if you see your child that's naturally going towards the TV and starting to squint and blink a lot, those are signs to get their eyes checked. And the second question was,
how can we protect our eyes from this blue light?
Okay, by basically, if you're on the computer, if you're on your smartphone, and if you're even exposed to the sun for up to 6 hours a day, you should wear protective glasses. You should wear blue light filter glasses, which will filter some of those harmful rays. So 6 hours or more, you should be wearing something, yes.
And that's even without a prescription pair of lenses?
Yes, because blue light can be, you can have a blue light filter on a non-prescribed lens.
Okay. So how long then should I watch TV or stick? Because I like to watch series. Sakina likes to watch series as well. So she spend the entire weekend.
After hour.
Entire weekend.
Yeah.
After hour.
Okay. We have a thing that we call the 20-20-20 rule, right? So if you look at the screen for 20 minutes, then look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds.
Okay. So we can look at
so 20 minutes on.
For 20 seconds.
Yeah.
20 feet away. So you're going to look at like a picture frame that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds.
Okay.
And that's giving your eyes like just a quick break. You know?
And then after that, I should be good? To go and watch another hour?
It should be less strain. It should be less strain.
Okay, so one thing we can do is the 20-20-20. The next thing is get a blue light filtering set of lenses. Is there anything else that we can do?
Exercise is good because
Exercise for my eye?
Exercise, just being outside and going for a walk, that would causes it's less diabetes and stress and stuff like that, which can lead to eye strain and damage. Wearing good protective shades as well.
Yeah, and the exercise helps with the blood flow and and
Yes,
all
the
that.
blood flow to the eyes. Yes.
And I was gonna ask, do you have exercises for your eyes?
Yeah.
No,
That's what I
No.
thought you meant. So I was like, how do I do that? So I didn't
No. Just overall health because of the blood flow to your eyes. Yes, but there isn't any exercises for the healthy eye. No.
All right. So for those of us who are already far gone in terms of our eyesight, what can we do to correct it?
Well, there isn't a way of correcting it. There's kind of a way of preventing it from getting worse by wearing corrective lenses. Because eyesight is a thing that you develop by eye size and eye shape, and it's hereditary. So it's something that you get from your parents. So it's like, and glasses don't fix your eyes. It's like a bridge.
So what about LASIK? That seems to be a trend these days. Everybody don't want to wear glasses, so I'm going to get LASIK. Is that an option?
It is. It's a popular one, and I would recommend everybody do their research because it's different for every person, and it's different for every prescription. And just do your research, do extensive research. And one thing I would say, don't get it on sale. Because there are a lot of sales out there where they would do one eye for free and charge you for the next.
Yeah, that's one thing not to get.
Stay away
free.
from the eye sales. Yes.
Yeah. So Clive, did they lie to us as kids? Because my mother would tell me all the time.
Don't go so close to the TV.
Not even that, you know.
What?
Eat all your carrots.
Yeah, your beta carotene
Yeah.
and your this and your that supposed
Did
to
they lie
help.
to
Alright.
us?
That's it's kind of a lie, but I don't think they knew it was a lie. Or
Mommy, how could you?
It's beta carotene is healthy for the health of your eyes because it's living. It's just like your lungs, your heart, your liver, and things like that. And there's things that you can eat to help the health of that organ. And carrots is something that has beta carotene in it, but it doesn't do anything for your eyes. As far
How much carrot you eat?
visually,
No, I used to eat carrots
it doesn't help you see better. No.
I used to eat carrots as snacks, man. Yeah, my mom
It'll
lied
turn
to
you
me.
orange. It'll turn your hands orange.
Yeah,
It'll turn
my
your-
mom.
That's why you look that shade.
Yeah, my mom lied to me, man. but it's important to have a good diet as well.
Yes, definitely.
It is very important, and exercise is very, very important. I kind of messed up on that. It is important because diabetes can lead to eye strain and eye diseases. Everything goes back to your eyes. So living a healthy lifestyle in general is the best thing that can help.
Definitely.
Awesome. All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was Clive Lattibeaudiere, co-owner of Optical City. Take care of your eyes. It's the windows to the world, everyone.
Yeah.
Here's our second. I was about to say our second human.
See, take care of